going to film it for Daddy? Hello everyone. Welcome to this week's assembly. Well, I don't know where Daddy is, so I'll have no one to keep me company, will I? What did you say? Hello everyone. Welcome to this week's assembly.
Hang on, what's going on here?
Let's try my magic.
Where are we? What are we doing?
I did the first bit for you.
You've done the first bit?
Yeah. Well, then it's out.
Excellent.
And this week's song is going to be all about perseverance.
Cool. We need to start the assembly poll.
Okay, I'll go for snooze then. I'll go for snooze then.
You're going for a snooze?
Yeah.
But hello everyone, Mr. Larkham here, and well, Polly's here somewhere, she's over there. She's not really coming to sit down for me at the moment, but we might have her in a bit. This week's assembly is all about persevering and being the best that you can be. And we're going to read this lovely book that Mrs. Howson has lent me called Maybe, written by Kobi Yamada. And we've got a lovely song to sing at the end. Hello, Tui. Come to say hello as well. Right, okay. Do you want to be Polly for this assembly? No? Okay. Right.
She's gonna come. She's gonna come. She's just waiting for her cue.
She's waiting for a cue.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, right. Here is the story. Maybe by Kobi Yamada. Oh, here we are. Just about to start the story. Do you want to say hello to everyone?
Hello.
Are you anything special today? Koala last week. What are you today?
A unicorn.
A unicorn. Right, okay. Have you ever wondered why you are here? You are the only you there ever has been or ever will be, and you have so much to offer. It's really hard turning the pages with cold hands. Maybe you will invent something that no one has ever seen before.
Let's see. Why are there giant toadstools?
Because she's living in an imaginary world, I think.
Why is she touching fly agarics?
I don't know. Maybe you will build things that will reach high into the sky. Your life is yours. Try as many things as you can try. See as much as you can see. Wherever you go, take your hopes, pack your dreams, and never forget, it is on journeys that discoveries are made.
Why is that discoveries?
Discoveries, there are things that you find out that you didn't know before. You can only do that when you go on journeys. Maybe you will help others to see the beauty in each day.
Is that the real moon and real stars?
No, if that was the real moon and star, she'd be enormous, wouldn't she? Or maybe you will lift cheering crowds onto their feet. Do everything with love. Follow your heart and see where it leads you. Maybe you are here to shine a light into places that have been dark for too long.
I want to say, why is the pig scared?
Because it's dark. Maybe you'll speak up for those who can't speak for themselves.
Why is there a big wolf?
It's not a wolf.
A polar bear?
Polar bear.
Why is there a big polar bear?
Because there is. Maybe you are here to help in ways that only you can. There will be struggles, there will be fears, and it won't always be easy. At times it will feel really hard and you might make a mess of things and you may fall down.
I want to see.
You may fail.
Why has this failed?
Because if you try things and if you try lots of things, sometimes you won't get it right and you'll fail and you get it wrong. And that's what life's all about. But you will also get back up and you will rise a little stronger and a little taller because there really is more inside you than you know. And this world needs your gifts, your talents, your big ideas. And maybe you are just getting started. What if you are only scratching the surface of what you can do and who you can be? What if you have talents you haven't discovered yet? There is something powerful, even magical, about you. You already have everything it takes to do big things. And maybe you have no idea just how good you really can be. And maybe you don't know how much you matter. But maybe, just maybe, the world has been waiting centuries for someone exactly like you.
Is that
Yeah,
her?
I think it is. There we go, let's go with a pet pig. One thing is for sure, you are here, and because you are here, anything is possible.
Why has it got some wings?
Because pigs might fly. Anything is possible. What a lovely book. I really like the message in that book. It's all about how every single one of us is special. Every single one of us has gifts that we can give to the world and do wonderful things. And it's really all about perseverance as well. It said in there that if you try lots of things and try and discover lots of things, sometimes you're going to fall down, sometimes you're going to fail, but it's all about getting back up again. You've fallen down, let's get you back up again. Oh, this is going to happen every week, isn't it? Right, okay, we need to think about our song now. So we need a ukulele. Are you ready? Hey, there it is. Right. Okay, yeah, this song is all about perseverance. It's about falling down, getting back up again, and it's called Try Everything. You might know this from a film. It's a bit like when you were learning how to ride your bike. Do you remember learning to ride your bike?
Yeah, and I fell off and I bumped myself.
You did, but you got back on, didn't you? And you kept going, and you kept saying, "Oh, I can't do it," but you tried and tried, and eventually you learned how to ride your bike, which is really cool. So here we go. This is called Try Everything. You ready? I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. I keep messing up, but I just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground, but I always get up now to see what's next.
First don't just fall, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong.
I won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. I won't leave, I wanna try everything, I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. I so fast. Sometimes we come last, but we did our best. I won't give up, no, I won't give in.
Till I reach the end and then I'll start again.
I won't leave, I want to try everything. I want to try, even though I can fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in. Till I reach the end and then I'll start again. I want to leave, I want to try everything. I want to try, even though I can fail. Ready? Oh.
Try everything.
Oh.
Try everything. Try everything.
I'll keep on making those new mistakes. I'll keep
So you're back on your bike, Polly?
making them
What are you?
every day. Those new mistakes. Try everything.
Try everything.
Try We did it! How many times did we have to do that?
A lot.
A lot. We kept getting it wrong, but we started again, didn't we?
The last time you did it, you ruined it by yourself.
But we started again and we got it right.
Yeah.
See you later.
Bye. Bye.
Right, well that's that. Have a lovely week everyone, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.